I am so ungrounded and out of routine, and this week I'm going to change that. I feel like because of everything that's happened this year with COVID and everything, I just never got to fully get my life back into like a smooth routine of work and exercise and everything. But now I am going to, because I'm leaving to Europe in July, if all goes well, so I really need to save and work and hustle till then, and I know that I can't do that well if I'm not grounded and like good in myself. Hi! I'm about to be, yeah. Also this week I have an angel, Zemer, who is doing work experience with me in my office, which is just so amazing. So I am going to go and we're just gonna work and hustle. Guys, just come to say hi. Anything like anything final after what you wrote them? Oh no, this is not a fault. I had like a scan. Interesting it. Wait, what?
Is there another box?
No, they sent me a fucking gold one. Okay, lean forwards even more. We got that. We look fine from outside for a second. Yes. Weird filming at this time of the day. I swear I never film when I'm at home anymore, like I only film in my office, but I'm in my comfy bed. I recently got a new mattress and bed and sheets, and I'm feeling like a princess, not gonna lie. I've never had a king... I haven't had a king bed before, so I'm just loving spreading out like a starfish every night. But I have turned the camera on because in the spirit of getting grounded and getting back into routine, I just haven't been journaling recently, which I don't like, because you guys know that I usually journal every day. Like I had been for like over a year or 2 years consistently, pretty much every day. And I would say the past like 4 months, like literally since the beginning of this year, I've just been so slack. Like I just haven't been journaling. I definitely think it's contributing to me feeling kind of a bit more scattered at the moment, just because for me writing things down just helps me gain so much clarity and like just really understand where I'm at and like connect to myself. And I just feel like not doing that has been really like unanchoring. I really want to try to get back into daily journaling, but I thought today I would just do a little journal session where I'm at, but mainly focusing on writing the things that I know help ground me, and then writing how I want to achieve those things, because yeah, I really just want to set those goals and try to implement them. I finished my little journal. I am going to read for a little bit and then I am gonna go to sleep. I'm already feeling pretty tired, so I don't think I'm gonna read much, but I will see you guys tomorrow for another productive day, hopefully. Bye! look at our food right now. This is insane. I'm choking on the cinnamon. No. We got some iced chai. Yum. So good. That's really good. So I have a very exciting announcement. I've kind of been dropping it into shots constantly throughout this whole video, but I am launching my first gold and silver collection on Humble. This is what they look like. I am so excited to start selling them. It's a collaboration with my dad, who's a jeweler. His brand is called Organic Gold. So it's a little organic gold Humble crossover, and I'm just so excited because I just feel like on the days where I don't wear my pearl necklaces, I'm just always wearing this necklace. You can just look back through so many of my videos and you'll see. So I'm finally going to put it out for you guys. It's called the Ummi Collection. And of course, I made a silver version for you guys, for those of you who don't wear gold. But yeah, it's coming out this month. So go follow Humble Ego's Instagram to be updated on when it's actually coming out. They are all sustainably and ethically made, obviously handmade. The silver is recycled silver made from old things from the film industry, which is so cool. And then the gold is pure gold, 24 karat gold, all completely handmade, which is just so rare. Like, I don't think people even understand how rare that is. Like, when most jewelry companies are selling gold, they're selling like 9 karat, 18 karat, you know. Pretty much what that means is that it's gold mixed with other metals, whereas 24 karat gold is the purest gold you can get. So no one really works with it because it's so soft, but my dad is an amazing jeweler, and he works only with fire and forms it. So each one is super unique. As much as we try to make them the same, they obviously take their own organic form. But yeah, I'm so excited. Obviously you can wear these in the ocean, they're fully gold. If you already have a pearl necklace, these go so beautifully with them. But yeah, I am so excited to put them out this month. I am working hard to get it all ready to launch. I have Zemo obviously helping me get all the content, so that's kind of what we've mainly been doing. But yeah, I'm so excited.
And I need my Wi-Fi.
Setup. Really shy. Get that knowledge. Think. Looks pretty rainy. We are doing a little... Oh yeah, Heidi's back. Self-caring. Sauna time. Steam up. We steamed up, we saunaed up. I could not film in the sauna because it was so steamy. Thanks for watching. We're gonna do our skincare now. So come skincare with us, care for us. Yeah. I just don't know how much I'm meant to use. I'm putting quite a generous amount on.
I don't really know either.
It feels really nice though.
Like, do we just rub it in? I'm so confused.
I think we just. What does it say on the packet?
It doesn't say anything. Just
Surely it does. I don't know if it's like a sleep mask that you're meant to leave on. If so, I put way too much on.
I guess we'll find out.
At night, apply an even layer to freshly cleansed skin and then head into dreamland. So I put too much on.
I mean, they give you a lot in a pack. Like, you'd think that you're supposed to use it all at once.
Well, I think like they give you a pack so that you can try it out for like a week or something.
Well, one of these?
I don't know how, but I put way too much. I think I need to take some off, sadly. I feel really bad wasting all that product, but I'm greased up like I was going to take it off. So we're not going to take this off.
Oh. Will it sink into me? It's really very oily.
I think we're just meant to put like a tiny bit off. And we put like the whole packet.
So what is it meant to do, Joyish?
This is meant to help with circulation in your skin and contour your face. And also,
that.
ow, I just hit my
I feel all the blood circulating through my
and then you
face.
can just like really just smudge that product in as well. And it just feels nice. It feels so good. Fun fact,
so
guys,
good.
Heidi got me that little guy. And then I branched out and got this one.
As if.
Oh my god. In the car yesterday, guys, I found an arm hair that was I'm no joke this long. Just a blonde arm hair attached to me this long. And I just plucked it out, but like...
As if you pluck it out.
I know, I honestly
so much
should have
work into
kept it. Or like
growing.
at least took a photo because it was honestly beautiful. Bye, we're gonna have fun.